Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today is Saturday, 19th March 2022. Let's have a look at today's gold rates. But before that, I would like you to request to please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you receive all the notifications on time. Starting with the 1 gram price of the 24 karat gold, that is 231.99 without VAT, and with VAT is 266.79. For 22 carats, the without VAT price is 212.97 and with VAT price is 244.92. For 21 carats, without VAT price is 202.99 and with VAT is 233.44. For 18 carats, without VAT is 174 and with VAT is 200.10. For 14 carats, without VAT price is 135.72 and with VAT price is 156.08. For 10 carats gold, the without VAT price is 96.74 and with VAT price is 111.25. Last but not the least, for 6 carat gold, the without VAT price is 58 riyals and with VAT is 66.70. I hope you will find this information useful, and if this information is useful to you, please like this video, and again I request you to please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.